Unravel the modal mystery, can versus could. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of modal verbs. In this lesson, we're going to focus on two commonly confused verbs, can and could. By the end of this video, you will be able to distinguish between these two verbs and use them correctly in your conversations and writings. Let's start with the modal verb, can. Can is generally used to express ability, permission, or possibility in the present or future. Here are some examples. Ability, I can swim. Permission, you can go now. Possibility, it can rain tomorrow. The important point to note here is that can is used in present or future context. Now, let's move on to could. Could is the past tense of can. However, it's also used in a variety of other ways. We use could to indicate past ability, polite requests or suggestions, and to express a possibility or uncertainty. Here are some examples. Past ability, I could swim when I was a child. Polite request, could you please pass me the salt? Suggestion, we could go to the park tomorrow. Possibility or uncertainty, it could rain later. It's crucial to remember that could often refers to a less certain situation compared to can. Now, let's highlight the key differences between can and could. Can often indicates more certainty than could. Can is used for present or future situations, while could is often used for past situations or less certain present, future situations. Now that we have discussed can and could in depth, it's time to practice. Here are some exercises for you. 1. Fill in the blanks with can or could. A. I blank see a rainbow yesterday, expressing past ability. B. You blank borrow my notes if you want, giving permission. 2. Correct the following sentences if needed. A. We can go to the beach yesterday. B. Could you drive a car when you were 16? Try to answer these questions and check your understanding. And that wraps up our discussion on can and could. I hope this video has been helpful in clarifying when to use these two modal verbs. Keep practicing and you'll soon get the hang of it. Remember, every language learning journey is unique and it's perfectly fine to make mistakes. They are stepping stones to mastery. Until next time, happy learning!